Hi, I'm Charlotte Lawson, a registered licensed dietitian here in Tampa Bay, Florida. You may have heard of whey protein or are wondering how you can use this protein supplement in many different things that you eat. First and foremost, whey protein is a really good source of protein derived from cow's milk. It's one of the best proteins out there because it provides us with a lot of the essential proteins that our body needs to function. Whey protein actually has hardly any taste, that when you add it to different products, it rarely distorts the taste of the original food. So you can add it to different things like making milkshakes or adding it to yogurt. These are all different ways you can add this extra protein to your diet. Keep in mind that too much of one thing may not be a good thing, so it is still important to keep a well-rounded diet with regular whole fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other types of lean meats. If you're trying to do a vegetarian diet, keep in mind this may be a good supplement for you, but also good combinations of vegetables and grains can still make you have those complete proteins. Also be aware that when you're increasing the protein in your diet to increase your fluids, staying hydrated is very important, as high amount of proteins can put extra stress on our kidneys. So making sure you're having enough fluid in your diet can help combat some of that stress in the kidneys. Again, try to read your labels, look at good sources of protein in the regular diet, and use your supplements sparingly and maybe only when you need them. For more information on whey protein, check out eathappy.info. I'm Charlotte, and eat happy.